Hello everyone, this is Ratikan. Welcome to my YouTube channel Linuxg. Today topic is Introduction to Kubernetes. So before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel Linuxg. So let's start. Nowadays, application running in a container. If you don't know what is container and Docker, watch my previous video showing in top. Day to day, application uses are increasing by various users. To solve the application properly to every user, the hosted application need to deploy one or more server. In other words, containers are keep growing every day. So now it's hard to manage huge number of containers by hand. To overcome these situations, container orchestration came to the market and Kubernetes is one of them. Let's understand what is container orchestration. So container orchestration automates the deployment, management, scaling and network of containers across the cluster. It is focused on managing the life cycle of containers. So container orchestration is used to automate the following tasks at scale: configuring and scheduling of containers, provisioning and deployment of containers, redundancy and availability of containers, scaling up or removing containers to spread application load evenly across host infrastructure, movement of containers from one host to another if there is a shortage of resources in a host or if a host dies, allocation of resources between containers, external exposure of services running in a container with the outside world, load balancing of service discovery between the containers, health monitoring of container and hosts. Let's understand what is Kubernetes. So Kubernetes is also known as K8s, is an open source container management tool. It provides a container runtime, container orchestration, container centric infrastructure orchestration, self healing mechanisms, service discovery, load balancing, and container scaling or descaling. Initially developed by Google for managing containerized applications in a clustered environment, but later on it's donated to CNCF. Kubernetes is completely written in Golang language. It is a platform designed to completely manage the lifecycle of containerized applications and services using methods that provide predictability, scalability, and high availability. So Kubernetes is important tools that are used to deploy containers inside a cluster, and below are the features. In Kubernetes, installation is quite complicated, but once it's set up, the cluster is very strong. Kubernetes is providing a GUI, is the Kubernetes dashboard. It's highly scalable and scales fast. Also, Kubernetes can do auto scaling. It can deploy rolling updates and does the automation rollbacks. Kubernetes can share the storage volumes only with other containers in the same pod. Inbuilt tools for logging and monitoring. Let's see some other certified Kubernetes distributions like cloud management, where we have EKS by AWS, AKS by Microsoft, and GKE by Google. Some self-managed Kubernetes distributions are also there, like OpenShift by Red Hat and Docker Enterprise by Docker. For locally development and testing purpose, we have Micro K8s by Canonical, Minikube also there. Vanilla Kubernetes, the core Kubernetes project, we have KubeADM. Special build K3s by Rancher, a lightweight Kubernetes distribution for edge devices. To learn more about online emulator, you can go to this link. Thank you for watching my video. Please comment me if you need more Kubernetes videos. Keep sharing my video and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel Linux G and hit the bell icon. Thank you.